comfortable are you maneuvering around Figma? Do you find yourself eager to delve deeper and unlock its full potential? If so, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to walk you through some advanced features and plugins in Figma that can elevate your designing process to a whole new level. First on our list is the Vector Networks feature. Unlike other design tools that restrict you to straight lines, Figma's Vector Networks allows you to draw lines in any direction, providing you with the flexibility to create intricate and detailed designs. To use this feature, you simply select the pen tool and start drawing your lines. The second feature we'll go over is the auto layout. This is a game changer for anyone looking to speed up their design process. With auto layout, you can automatically adjust the spacing and alignment of your design elements in just a few clicks. To utilize auto layout, all you need to do is select the elements you want to align, click on the auto layout button, and let Figma do the rest. Moving on, let's explore some of the most useful plugins in Figma. The first one is the Unsplash Plugin. This plugin allows you to directly import high-quality photos from Unsplash into your Figma designs. To use this plugin, you install it from the Figma community, then you can access it from the right-hand panel and search for the images you need. Next up is the Iconify Plugin. This plugin gives you access to a library of over 50,000 icons from popular icon sets. With Iconify, you no longer need to leave Figma to search for icons. You can just open the plugin, search for your desired icon, and drag it into your design. The third plugin we're discussing today is the Figma to HTML plugin. This tool is perfect for anyone looking to convert their Figma designs into responsive HTML and CSS codes. Once installed, you can select the design you want to convert, open the plugin, and export your design as code. As we wrap up, let's summarize what we've covered today. We learned how to use the vector networks and auto layout features in Figma to create more flexible and efficient designs. We also explored 3 helpful plugins: Unsplash for importing high-quality photos, Iconify for accessing a vast library of icons, and Figma to HTML for converting designs into responsive code. Remember, mastering Figma is not about knowing every single feature and plugin. It's about understanding how to use the right tools at the right time to enhance your design process. So, keep exploring, keep practicing, and you'll soon find yourself a master of Figma.